So it's the most beautiful day in Cape Town. The sun is rising over the city, and Jarrad celebrated his birthday on the 2nd of Jan. And what better way to celebrate it? Spur have surprised him with a helicopter trip with him and his brother Matthew to drop them off at school.
The ride was very cool, full of experience.
The ride was fun and exciting, and I'd like to thank Spur and KFM for this wonderful birthday gift.